Meaning of double figures.
Double figures.
Double figures.
Double figures.
Double figures. The term double figures is used to describe a number that has two digits. This means that the number is greater than or equal to 10 and less than 100. For example, the numbers 10, 23, and 99 are all considered to be double figures. Double figures are commonly used in sports to describe the score or number of points a team or player has achieved. For instance, a basketball player who scores 20 points in a game is said to have reached double figures. Overall, double figures is a term used to indicate a number made up of two digits.